Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Keshav Jadhav and in this video we will see the introduction to ERP. Now, what is an ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP is the tool for managing the information. Managing the information means organized collection of data, storing that data, and analyze that data or use that data for the benefit of organization. Enterprise means business organization or industry, or we can say company. Resources includes manpower, material, money, machines, etc. And planning includes effective utilization and optimization of resources. So ERP is a software or a tool which is used for effective utilization of these resources for overall growth of the organization. Let us understand the typical traditional business process. Business process is a sequence of activities designed to create something of value. So customer will come with requirement for the product. Customer can be end user of the product or any other organization. They will contact to sales department for their requirement. Sales department will interact with the inventory department for checking the availability of the material. So if material is available in the inventory, then that finished good can be sold to the customer. Now if finished good or required material is not available in the inventory, then sales department will contact to the production planning department for producing the required material. So for producing that required finished good, they need raw material. So they will ask in the inventory department for the required raw material, and production planning department will do the shop floor execution for manufacturing the product. So after manufacturing that product, it can be sent to the sales department for fulfillment of the sales order, or it can be sent to the inventory for the storage purpose. Now if suppose required raw material is not available in the inventory, then production planning department will contact to the material management department, or it is also called as purchase department, for procurement of raw material. So purchase department or material management department will procure the raw material from the external vendor, and that raw material can be sent to the shop floor execution for producing the finished good, or it can be sent to the inventory for storage purpose. Then there will be finance and accounting department. It will interact with all the department for finance and accounting related activity. It will interact with the production planning department for product costing through the activity rate and bill of material. This finance department will interact with the material management department for doing the payment of raw material to the vendor. Then it will interact with the inventory department for calculating the cost of inventory. It will also interact with the sales department for collecting the customer payment. So in this way, finance department will interact with all the departments for finance and accounting related activity. Similarly, human resource department also interact with all the other departments in the organization for human resource related activity, and for payroll related activity it will interact with the finance and accounting department. So in this way, all the businesses has various departments, and these departments exchange and share lot of information with each other. These processes takes so much time. Now let us understand modern business process. So in modern business process, there will be ERP software or ERP tool which will interact with all the departments. It will collect the information from all the departments and store at the central location. It will also provide the required analysis report for taking the decision at management level. Also, real-time data is available in the central ERP system, which can be accessible to various departments, so there will be proper communication. ERP also includes customer data and vendor data. So by using vendor data, material management department can procure the material in less time. Based on the customer's order, sales department can see what is the current production status or how much finished good is available in inventory. So in this way, ERP will integrate all the business processes. So ERP is the business management software which is used to integrate all the business activities in an organization. So let us see some of the advantages of ERP implementation in any organization. So ERP implementation will help for integration of the business processes. So ERP is a business management software which is used to integrate all the business activities in any organization. So proper communication and exchange of information is easily possible because of integration of the business processes. Then better utilization of resources. So data related to availability of the resources is available at central location in ERP. So by using that data, better utilization of those resources is possible. ERP implementation help for standardizing and speed up the business processes. It will also help for reducing the inventory and material cost. So real-time data of inventory is available. So by procuring the raw material at the right time, we can avoid the extra inventory cost. ERP implementation help for increasing the productivity and quality of the product. So as processes are standardized, it will help to enhance the quality of product, and because of increasing the speed of business process, productivity will be increased. ERP implementation help for better control over the business processes. So as all data is available at central location, by analyzing their data, it is easy to control the various business processes in an organization. Then it also help for customer satisfaction. Now, because of improving the quality of product and availing the finished good at the right time to the customer, we can achieve the customer satisfaction. So these are some of the advantages of ERP implementation. These are some of the vendors for ERP software: SAP, Oracle, BAN, Microsoft Dynamics, Sage, etc. So in addition to this, there are many other vendors are also available who provide the different ERP packages as per the different business requirement. Each vendor having different packages as per different business requirement. Also, they are having different versions. For example, latest SAP version is SAP S/4HANA. Earlier version is SAP R3 or SAP ECC. So in this way, ERP is a business management software which is used to integrate all the business activities in any organization. Thank you for watching.